Hello everyone, this is Miss Vastavikta from Sunbeam Convent School. We are going to start weeding. This is an agricultural practice. This is among one of the agricultural practice performed by farmers. We are studying in sequence, plowing, from plowing till we are here on weeding. So what is weed? The undesirable plants that grow naturally with crop plants are called weeds. Nobody goes to plant them, but they grow naturally. They are undesirable, they are unwanted. The undesirable plants that grow naturally along with the crop plants are called weeds. Nobody goes to plant them. It is not desirable. We don't want them, but then also they grow naturally along with crop plants. They are called weeds. Some weeds are edible, that means they can be eaten, whereas some are non-edible. Some cannot be eaten, they are poisonous, they may harm us. So some edible weeds are Chenopodium or Bathua. It is a type of green vegetable that we eat, Chenopodium or Bathua. Amarnathus or Chaulai, it is also an edible weed. Convolvulus, no, yes, or Khuri. These are some edible weeds, and non-edible weeds are wild oat and grass. These are non-edible weeds. So it is important to remove the weeds because they compete with the main crop and share the nutrients, water, space and sunlight. Therefore, it becomes important to remove them because they compete with the main crop. They start harming the main crop. How? By taking their share. They start taking nutrients, water, space and sunlight that is meant for the main crop. But they start sharing it. So the main crop starts getting harmed. Thus the main crop plant remain devoid of essential nutrients for their growth. So it is important to remove these weeds. Also, wheat reduces the crop yield because the main crop does not get all these important nutrients or all these important things in sufficient amount because there is one competitor, there is one shareholder that is residing with them on the field. So it is important to remove them. So the process of removing weeds is called weeding. The process of removing weeds from the field is called weeding. There are several methods to remove weeds. Among these, there are two chiefly used methods which we are going to study today. Here you can see some edible weed, Chenopodium. This is Bathua that we eat, or Amaranthus. Amaranthus, this is also an edible weed. Convolvulus, this is also an edible weed. So how is weeding done? Farmers may remove the weed manually, that means by hand, just like this they remove the weeds, or with the help of trowel or khurpi. Here you can see the picture of a trowel or harrow. Here on the screen you can see the picture of an harrow also. So weeds also get removed during tilling before sowing the seed. Weeds also get removed during tilling. When we till, that means when we plow the field, weeds get removed and they act as a green manure for the plant. Another method for removing weed is spraying certain chemicals. That means chemicals called weedicide or herbicide are sprayed on the field, on the weeds, and this herbicides or weedicide kills the weeds. This method is quite effective. This method of killing weeds with the help of herbicides or weedicides is very effective as it kills the weeds but does not harm our main crop. It is important that weeds should be killed and also our crops are not harmed. So, Dalaphon, Methalsur and Cyniazyme are some commonly used weeds. Remember these names, Dalaphon, Methalsur and Cyniazyme are some commonly used weeds. Weeds should be handled carefully as they are poisonous weedicides. They must be handled carefully. This is a farmer which is removing weeds manually with the help of a hand, and this is a person who is spraying weedicides. Weeds should be handled carefully. Why? Because they are poisonous. Weedicides are poisonous. Farmers should be advised to cover their mouth with a mask and nose while spraying them. Grains must be thoroughly washed before consuming. Therefore, anything that we bring from field, we have to wash it very carefully, very nicely, so that all the weedicides are removed during washing process, and we do not consume weedicides because they are poisonous. They are meant to kill the weeds. We should not consume. So here is the summary: weeding, the process of removing weeds. What are edible weeds? Chenopodium or bathua, Amaranthus or chaulai, Convolvulus or khuri. Non-edible weeds are wild oats and grass. So how is weeding done? Manually, by with the help of hand, either uprooting them or using a trowel or khurpi. And chemical method is using weedicide or herbicide. Dalaphone, Metalsur and Cyniazine are some commonly used weeds. Now it is time for harvesting. So harvesting is done either by sickle or by combine. What is combine? Combine is the combination of thresher and harvester is known as combine.